So this is just a quick video, guys, showing you a new product. I'll have it in the title and in the description, but off the top of my head I don't remember what this is called. But this holds a phone or a tablet, and I just have one hand right now, so bear with me. Most of this is metal, so I've had like plastic ones that don't hold very well and really floppy and awful. I'm gonna spend 30 bucks to get a nice one, and so this can extend to it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but it can extend a good 8 inches or so. So it can hold a tablet or a phone. I got it for my phone, so when I'm recording my monitor and my setup and stuff, I have something, because I don't have a second camera person, but it's pretty nice. This is all metal and stuff. The only plastic is the handle right here, this one right here, that knob, and then this kind of whole assembly thing is, and everything else is metal. It's pretty nice, and it holds, let me use my feet here. It holds pretty nice. Like, you have to have a little bit of force to actually push it up and stuff. So this is gonna go perfect on, I'll just clamp it to either, I still haven't cleaned up this area, but I'll like clamp it to something and then aim it at the screen and just hold the position, and it's gonna be awesome. So pretty happy about it, and I definitely would recommend it, as long as it holds up, you know, for years and years. But $30, it's a pretty decent deal. So. Alright, peace out, guys. The link will be in the description. So I went in the kitchen, and that's where I unboxed the product. I got the like little manual instruction. Where's it? So there's the product name right there. Clamp with 2 L's. Clamp and install 2 ways. Cantilever? What? I don't think that's a word. Phone, tablet, holder. So there's the product name. It's pretty bad, and but yeah, it was like 30 bucks. I don't know, you can't go wrong.